Dr. Madhav Kirti Das's special address on Chaitra Navratri and Samvatsar New Year 2082. Dr. Madhav Kirti Das extended his heartfelt greetings and best wishes to all his followers, friends, and well-wishers on the auspicious occasion of the Hindu New Year 2082 and Chaitra Navratri. In his special address, he emphasized the profound significance of fasting during Navratri, both for spiritual elevation and physical well-being. Significance of Navratri fasting. Dr. Madhav Kirti Das urged everyone to observe the 9-day Navratri fasting, explaining that as winter transitions into summer, the body requires detoxification, just as one cleanses upon waking up in the morning. He compared the cold season to the night and summer to the day, highlighting that fasting during this seasonal shift helps in purifying the body and preparing it for the upcoming heat. Spiritual and cosmic benefits. He explained that these 9 days are filled with immense spiritual energy, as the universe releases divine vibrations. To absorb the celestial energy, he emphasized the necessity of keeping the body clean through fasting and detoxification. Dietary guidelines for fasting. Dr. Madhav Kirti Das recommended avoiding grains, lentils, beans, and dairy products during fasting, as they generate toxins in the body. Instead, he suggested drinking lukewarm water and citric juices. Consuming fruits, salads, and steamed vegetables. Reducing or eliminating sugar and salt intake. Avoiding oil, ghee, excessive spices, and processed salt. Fasting for spiritual practitioners. He stressed that those following a spiritual path, whether practicing Krishna consciousness, yoga, or bhakti yoga, should observe fasting to enhance their sadhana. He humorously pointed out that the 9th day, celebrated as Lord Rama's appearance day, symbolizes the advent of Ananda, divine bliss. Just as the body undergoes purification through fasting, true spiritual joy emerges as the soul becomes more receptive to divine consciousness. Alternative fasting options. For those unable to observe the full 9-day fast, Dr. Madhav Kirti Das recommended at least a 3-day fast for holistic wellness. After Navratri, he advised breaking the fast gradually with light foods such as khichdi before resuming a regular diet. Health benefits of fasting. From a health perspective, he explained that fasting helps eliminate accumulated toxins and phlegm from the winter season. If not expelled, these toxins dry up in the summer, leading to joint pain, body aches, and other health issues. Thus, fasting serves as a powerful detox for the body, mind, and soul. Dr. Madhav Kirti Das contrasted the Hindu New Year with Western celebrations, emphasizing that while the latter indulges in sensory pleasures, the Sanatan Dharma tradition begins the year with purification, self-discipline, and spiritual elevation. Invitation to Braj Darshan, Health and Sadhana Retreat. Encouraging holistic health and spiritual growth, he invited everyone to participate in his Braj Darshan, Health and Sadhana Retreat in Vrindavan and Brajmandal. This unique retreat, he said, offers a transformative experience, blending spiritual wisdom with naturopathy for complete well-being. Stay connected for more insights. He concluded by expressing gratitude and seeking blessings from his listeners so that he can continue serving them with valuable knowledge. He encouraged viewers to subscribe to his channel, share the information, and comment for further guidance. For more updates, upcoming videos, courses, and events, stay tuned to Dr. Madhav Kirti Das's official channel. Thank you for your time to hear this holistic bulletin. Wish you very happy holistic Samvatsara New Year 2082. Dr. Madhav Kirti Das also provided a disclaimer, advising individuals with existing medical conditions to consult their doctor or himself before undertaking a fasting regimen. He urged those on prescribed medication not to discontinue their treatment without proper medical guidance.